Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to switch from stereo to mono audio on Spotify, so you can enjoy music in mono sound. Why would you use mono sound? One reason is that if you're using only one earbud, mono combines both channels so you don't miss any part of the sound. Additionally, mono can make voices clearer, especially for podcasts, by delivering sound from a single source instead of splitting it. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Once you're in Spotify, head to Account Settings by tapping on your profile picture in the top left corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. Now open the playback option. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see mono audio. Below this option, there's an explanation that by enabling it, the left and right speakers play the same audio. To turn on mono audio, just switch it on, and your Spotify will now play in mono. Mono audio, in addition to what was already mentioned, uses less power, especially with one speaker or earbud, helping extend battery life. Additionally, mono sound works well across different audio setups, like single-speaker devices, without losing sound details. And that's it. Now you know how to switch from stereo to mono audio on Spotify. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your music.